Welcome back to Andy's Guide. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Starbucks for Life is not working. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to join the Starbucks reward. If you have an account here, what you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, if you haven't done so, click the Join Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, for those who doesn't know, Starbucks for Life is a promotional campaign run by Starbucks where customers have the chance to win various prizes, including free Starbucks drinks and food for a specified period or for life. The promotion typically involves making purchases at Starbucks stores or participating in certain activities outlined by Starbucks. Now, if you are encountering problem about the Starbucks for Life not working, the first thing that you need to do is to refresh the page. For example, you're using the web browser. You might want to try to press F5 or Control plus F5, because what will happen is on occasions like a basic action such as refreshing the page, or if you're using your mobile device, try to restart the app can effectively address issues. All right, give this a try to check if the game begins and functioning correctly. Now, the next option that you make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because for smooth functionality for the Starbucks for Life game, a stable internet connection is essential. Ensure that your internet connection is reliable and free from any connectivity issues, alright? Now, the next option that you can do is you might want to try to clear cache and cookies, alright? Because as we all know, when playing the game on a web browser, clearing the cache and cookies from the Starbucks website can be beneficial in resolving the issues arising from outdated data or temporary files, and this step ensures that you're accessing the most recent version of the game. Now, the next option is, if none of the above steps work, you might want to contact the Starbucks customer support. Alright, and this is going to be the official website. And you just need to browse all topics that you wanted. You can also chat with one of the support staff to see if we get an answer. And from here, type in if you get an answer. You can also give them a message right here. And of course, you need to describe your issue. And hopefully, if these steps has been applied, you would be able to fix the Starbucks for Life not working. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.